When you're editing video, the most important thing that you're doing is compressing time. In real life, time goes by slowly. We experience life the regular way, which is boring. But in movies and in television and in video games for that matter, time is compressed, it's sped up. All the boring parts are removed and we see just what's essential. That is the essence of editing, is to remove anything that's not essential from your video and trimming it away, revealing only what you really need. So when you are trimming your video, when you're editing, get rid of anything that you don't absolutely need. If it's not necessary, cut it, delete it, slice it out, remove it. We only want to watch what's exciting and what's fun. Remember, when people are on YouTube and they're watching your video, there's going to be a list of all the other tempting videos right on the side. That's your competition right there. That's who you're trying to get rid of. That's what you want to prevent your users, your viewers from clicking on. So make your video exciting by trimming out anything that you don't need.